Hello crochet friends, welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear. We are on the body and this is round 17 where we're starting today. We ended with 36 stitches, so we're going to get ourselves going, and for 17 we will have, 33 stitches. All right, so we're going to start with 10 single crochets. So we're going to enter our first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. That's 1. Same thing, single crochet, there's 2. Go into the next one, single crochet, 3. Next one, 4. All right, 5. Oops, I think I had a thread there. Hang on one second. Okay. 5 and 6, 7, 8. You doing okay? Alrighty. 9 and 10. I'm just gonna make sure that I have 10 because I was talking away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now a decrease. Okay, so front loop of your next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Front loop of the following stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3. All right, and then we repeat again because we're going to do this 3 times. All right, so 10 single crochets. 1 and 2, 3. Just keep track, that's all. 4. Sometimes we have to count. You see me do it, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 10, and now a decrease. Alrighty, so front loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Front loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Alright, and repeat that one more time until you get your marker, and we have 33 stitches. Here we go. Okay, this is my last decrease here for 17. All right, there we go, and we have 33 stitches on our work. So let's go on to 18. 18 is nice and easy. You're gonna like this. We just single crochet each stitch around. Ah, nice and easy. Okay, then we do these when we're doing decreases like this. They'll throw in a lot of times these rounds of single crochet, and it's just so that your work doesn't pucker too much. We still are gonna be decreasing more, but this just keeps it from such a drastic decrease, okay? So if you're wondering, well, I thought we were going down on size here, a lot of times you'll see this in patterns this way, and sometimes it's even more than one row or round of single crochets or whatever stitches you're doing for the project, you know? So keep going with these single crochets, and I'll see you at the end at your marker with 33 of them. Here we go. Okay, last one. All right, last one for round 18. Let's go on to 19. Oh, great. Lovely single crochets. I like it. Okay, up next for 19. We are going to do 9 single crochets and then a decrease. We're going to repeat it 3 times. So here's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, one more, 9. Okay, and now we will decrease. And we're going to do this 2 more times after this, and then we'll have a total of 30 stitches, okay? So front loop, single crochet, so enter, yarn over and pull through, go into the next loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3, okay? So that was single crochet 2 together or decrease, and now 9 single crochets again, okay? So repeat this to your marker, 9 single crochets and a decrease, and you'll be doing this 2 more times here, and then we will move on to 20. All right, I'll see you there. Okay, this is my last decrease. All right, for 19. We're going to go on to 20. This is the last round of the body, okay? So 20 is 8 single crochets and then a decrease. And then we're going to join with a slip stitch at the end. And by the time we're done, we'll have, let's see, 27 stitches, okay? So let's get going. We need 8. So 8 single crochets. So there's 1 and 2. You're doing all right with all these, I hope. 3, 4. Just make sure you're getting every stitch because they are kind of tiny, aren't they? 5, 6. I don't like that one. Did you see it was kind of funky looking? 6, 7, 8. All right, that's 8. Now a decrease. So front loop, yarn over and pull through. Front loop. For the next one, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3. And then we repeat it again 2 more times because we want to get around to our marker, right? So keep going around with this. 8 single crochets. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, there's 8. And now a decrease. Got me a little naughty there. Alrighty, front loop, yarn over and pull through, front loop of the next one, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, do that repeat 1 more time. I'll meet you at the end. Here we go. Okay, last decrease right here for me. Now, I'm gonna take out my marker, but we're gonna join with a slip stitch to the very first. So go in there, your very next stitch there, yarn over and pull through again for a slip stitch. And then pull up. We want to leave a fairly long tail because we are going to sew the head to the body. So if you don't have enough from the head, you want it from the body, okay? So we will be sewing this on. So leave yourself a decent tail. We want to stuff this also. So make sure your bottom is good, right? That it's in the right, pulled up nice and tight and looking good down there. So pull that up, give this some stuffing, give yourself a nice tail, and we are done with the body. Yahoo! Okay, so now, wow, I'm so excited. Next up, we'll be starting on some of the legs. So I'm going to use the same color. You do what you would like to do, whatever you prefer. But if you want to go on with the same color, just have that ready to go and your same crochet hook, and we'll meet up to start working on the legs next. But this is the body and the head done. We're doing so well, and I will see you next time. Thank you, and have a joyful day.